Creating wooden soap holders is a delightful way to combine utility with natural beauty, enhancing both the functionality of a bathroom or kitchen and the overall aesthetic appeal of the space. Wooden soap holders serve as practical items that keep bars of soap dry between uses, preventing them from becoming mushy while adding a touch of warmth and elegance to any setting. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will show you different style of wooden soap holders ideas that you can create beautiful pieces for your home and sell. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The beauty of wooden soap holders lies in the unique characteristics of the wood itself. Each type of wood has its distinct grain patterns, colors, and textures, allowing artisans to choose materials that reflect their personal style or complement their home decor. For example, hardwoods like teak or oak are not only durable, but also offer rich hues that can elevate the appearance of a soap holder. The natural oils in these woods can also provide some degree of water resistance, making them ideal for use in humid environments like bathrooms. When crafting a wooden soap holder, the design can vary significantly, reflecting the artisan's creativity. A simple, minimalist design can be just as impactful as a more intricate one. For instance, a basic rectangular soap dish with slightly raised edges can be beautifully functional. The clean lines of the design can appeal to contemporary aesthetics, while the warm tones of the wood soften the overall look, creating a harmonious balance in the space. Sanding the edges to a smooth finish not only enhances the tactile experience, but also adds to the visual appeal, inviting users to interact with the piece. For those who enjoy a more rustic or organic style, a soap holder crafted from reclaimed wood can be particularly striking. The imperfections and unique markings found in reclaimed wood tell a story and can serve as conversation starters. By incorporating elements like knots, cracks, or varied textures, each soap holder becomes a one-of-a-kind piece. This approach not only emphasizes sustainability, but also imbues each item with character and charm, making it a perfect addition to a farmhouse or cottage-style bathroom. Adding functionality to the design can elevate a wooden soap holder even further. Consider creating a holder with drainage features, such as slatted openings or raised ridges. This design allows water to flow away from the soap, keeping it dry and extending its life. The slats can be arranged in a visually pleasing pattern, enhancing the overall aesthetic while serving a practical purpose. Such thoughtful design considerations illustrate how beauty and functionality can coexist, making the soap holder an essential item that also enhances the decor. Another captivating approach is to create a multifunctional soap holder that incorporates additional features. For example, a wooden soap holder could be designed with a small compartment for storing a natural sponge or a scrub brush. This added functionality can streamline the washing process, providing everything needed in one convenient place. The integration of different elements can create a cohesive look, making the soap holder not just a standalone item, but part of a larger design theme in the bathroom or kitchen. Personalization can also play a role in the creation of wooden soap holders. Engraving initials, names, or meaningful quotes onto the wood can transform a simple soap dish into a cherished gift or a personal keepsake. This customization adds a layer of thoughtfulness, making the item more special and unique. For weddings, housewarmings, or other celebrations, a personalized wooden soap holder can serve as a functional yet meaningful gift that recipients will appreciate and use daily. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The finishing touches applied to a wooden soap holder can significantly influence its appearance and durability. Natural oils such as mineral or coconut oil can enhance the wood's color while providing a protective barrier against moisture. For a more polished look, artisans may choose to use a food-safe finish or lacquer that adds shine and further protects the wood. The choice of finish can align with the overall style of the piece. Matte finishes can evoke a rustic feel, while glossy finishes can lend a more modern touch. In addition to aesthetics, the choice of wood can greatly affect the soap holder's functionality and longevity. Woods that are more resistant to moisture, such as cedar or bamboo, can be excellent choices for crafting soap holders. Cedar's natural antimicrobial properties not only help prevent mold and mildew, but also impart a pleasant aroma, enhancing the sensory experience of using the soap holder. Bamboo, with its sustainable characteristics and sleek appearance, offers a contemporary option that fits well in modern bathrooms. Exploring various shapes and styles can also lead to innovative designs. For instance, a round soap holder can introduce an unexpected element, softening the lines of a space dominated by square or rectangular fixtures. A circular design can also facilitate drainage with a raised center, allowing water to flow away from the soap effectively. Such creativity in shape not only serves a functional purpose, but also adds an artistic flair to the holder, making it a standout piece in the bathroom or kitchen. The integration of color can further enhance the visual appeal of wooden soap holders. While the natural beauty of wood is often enough to make a statement, artisans can experiment with stains or paints to create custom looks. For example, a bright stain can infuse a playful element into a traditionally neutral space, while a dark stain can bring a sense of sophistication. The contrast between the wood and the soap itself can also be a design consideration. A light-colored soap on a dark wooden holder can create a striking visual effect. Moreover, the trend toward eco-friendly products has made wooden soap holders increasingly popular. By using sustainably sourced wood and natural finishes, artisans can create items that not only look good, but also align with environmentally conscious values. This dedication to sustainability resonates with consumers who seek to minimize their ecological footprint while still enjoying beautiful and functional products in their homes. The act of creating a wooden soap holder can also be a deeply satisfying and meditative process. For many artisans, working with wood is not just about crafting an item, but also about connecting with the material and the environment. The tactile nature of wood, from the initial rough cuts to the final smooth finish, can be a rewarding journey that culminates in a beautiful piece that enhances daily life. Wooden soap holders epitomize the harmonious blend of natural beauty and practicality. Through thoughtful design, choice of materials, and attention to detail, artisans can create stunning pieces that not only serve a functional purpose, but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of any space. Whether through rustic charm, contemporary elegance, or personalized touches, wooden soap holders offer endless possibilities for creativity while celebrating the warmth and beauty of wood. Each piece becomes a unique expression of artistry and craftsmanship, inviting users to appreciate the simple pleasures of everyday life. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood soap holders pieces ideas you can use for your home or sale. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.